As you get down through the chapter, there's a part where it talks about displaying and modifying variables. When we do this, actually, I'm not going to have you use Code Studio to do it. We're going to do a little simplified route here, and since it's a very simple thing, we're going to go up here in the Firefox in the web developer, and then you'll see a place here called Scratchpad. We need the Scratchpad open. It'll be disabled in the future release. Okay, fine. Go ahead and do that. From here, you can put in all the code that they have here. So it looks like it starts off on page like 35 or so here, where they start entering in some variable names of world news and sales tax, etc. Then I've taken the convenience of typing in the last one where it talks about modifying variables. So when I paste that in, here's your var sales total, and then it's assigned to $47.58. You can't put the dollar sign here. If you do have a dollar sign here, that's going to mess the rest of it up. Let the computer figure that out, and you can add that later. When you get to the document.write, you're going to say your sales total is. That's the dollar sign you want there. Then that sales total, that's a variable, so that's always going to make a call to whatever this was assigned to. So that plus there is a concatenation operator that talks about working with text. So you're going to extend things together. So essentially what this sees is your sales total is, and it's got the dollar sign there, and immediately after the dollar sign, that's where sales total will show up. The plus won't show up, the spaces won't show up, just that. And then now you start off with the quotes again. Then there's going to be a period that's going to come directly after the 8. So the sales total, even though it looks like there's all this space there, the computer doesn't see any of it. The only thing the computer sees is that number, 4758, and then it goes to a new line. The new line, var shipping, is set for 10, so it takes whatever the sales total is going to be. So it's going to be sales total is assigned to sales total plus shipping. So here's where the computer works from right to left. So you're going to see shipping added to sales total, which is going to give you a new sales total. So then when you go to write this again, you're going to get a second number that shows up here. Once you have this typed in and you run it, it shows up in the web browser here. So it says your sales total is 47.58. Sales total plus shipping. Whoops, I misspelled the I and is there. So that's a shame there. Let me go back to Scratchpad and I can fix that real quick. Oh, looks like I started a new one. Where's it? There it is. So this should be an I here. So let's backspace this, put in an I, and then when I run this again, doot, and I move this up so you can see it. Now everything looks good.